So we're working currently with Myron and John here on installing the beams in our master suite here at the Nulf residence. And I really want Myron to kind of talk about the difference between a standard miter cut and why it's important to lock miter these beams.
So the lock miter is superior because it actually creates a little bit of a tongue and groove effect, and it also gives you more gluable surface. These are held together by glue, and you want to maximize your amount of surface that has glue, and that also provides that with this lock miter, as well as providing almost like a tongue and groove effect into the miter itself versus just having a straight miter.
And you think really that eliminates separation?
Separation, and also if your board and your wood will have its tendency to its own characteristic, these lock miters kind of help correct any imperfection that might be in the wood itself. When you push these together, it has to go into that tongue and groove. And
it has a channel that it fits into,
and
it
fits right in there
and can't separate.
Yeah, so a lot of good reasons to use the lock miter.